since it was a Sunday and I took some time off. So I took a shower and started to get ready to go watch Kalki. So I wore this white cute top with this dainty necklace, and I chose not to change my earrings. These are the gold ones that I recently got. Now let's start with the makeup, which is obviously going to be really minimal. So I only applied moisturizer, then a little bit of sunscreen with a little bit of um, CC cream. Now I'm applying the lipstick, then the lip gloss, and this is how it turned out to be. This is such a beautiful color. I mean, I'm in love with this. Yeah, so now I opened up here, and let me tell you, I couldn't wash my hair, so these are, I think, a week washed, and then I thought of just detangling it. And being honest here, I haven't washed my hair for a week. Couldn't get the time, but since it's going to be um, day tomorrow, I will be doing it definitely. Now let's go ahead with the final touch-ups. That is my watch. This is something that I recently got for myself as well. Now this is the transparent mascara because I didn't want it to be heavy. These are my Converse, and here I go out. So I'm getting downstairs and I tied up my hairs in a bun because obviously I was on Uber. So we arrived, and then we were 10 minutes late into the movie as always, and there we go.
तुम मुझे मारना चाहते थे, पर एक दिन तुम ही मुझे बचाने आओगे.
Then the intermission, and I went into the washroom. This was surprisingly beautiful. That's why I tried taking a couple of pictures. And that's me showcasing the whole loop. So that's the reason we take a lot of time. A, we might be doing something really important. B, the washrooms are really beautiful. Honestly, look at it just. So I'm gonna head out, and I try to wait in the cafeteria to get my hands on popcorns and something to eat, but it was way too pricey, so I dropped the idea. Got back.
नामुमकिन एक युग का अंत होगा, युग नया एक आएगा.
The movie, it takes some time to build the plot, obviously. तो शुरू में ना, you might find it boring, but towards the end, I'm not going to give any spoilers, rest assured of that. But the director, the vision, everything was on point, and there are certain nuances wherein you might feel disconnected क्योंकि not everybody knows the exact place it's coming from, right? जैसे बहुत से लोगों को कर्ण का एसोसिएशन शायद नहीं समझ आया हो. Obviously जिनको नहीं पता है उन्हें नहीं आएगा, but later towards the revelation you will come to know कि क्या किससे. And very cleverly they have left off in such a situation जहाँ पे the audience is obviously going to come back. So that's one thing, and overall it was a good movie. Great, in fact. Reason being, they have been able to bring such brilliant actors, and so much of talent and the kind of gravitas these personalities have in one frame, and effortlessly, very, it's so seamless, you wouldn't even know that it is Amitabh Bachchan. Because see, in commercial movies and most of other sort of movies, उसमें ये होता है ना कि गाने होंगे, and that Bollywood वाला vibe, वो that Bollywood vibe and that charm and कहते नहीं राउडीपन लेके आप आई, वो कहीं ना कहीं आ ही जाता है, दैट थिंग कि अच्छा इट इज़ अमिताभ बच्चन या शाहरुख खान या दीपिका पादुकोण, वो स्वैग वाला यहाँ पर it was my not present, still they had that kind of presence on screen, and you get to do that only when you are Deepika Padukone and Amitabh Bachchan. I'm talking about the craft, not personalities. So that is one thing. Prabhas, I don't know क्यों कुछ लोगों को लगा that he is not that much into the movie या फिर उसने उतनी एक्टिंग नहीं करी, but his character needed what he delivered, nothing more, nothing less. If it would have done more, it would have appeared too much. So from that aspect he was good as well. And the other side actors as well, I'm glad कि बाकियों को भी उन्होंने चांस दिया. It's नहीं कि सिर्फ मेन स्ट्रीम big actors are there, और they did justice to their part. In fact जो मरियम का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही थी, and the other one Kyra, I'm sorry if I'm not correct the name. तो and like दिशा पाटनी का स्क्रीन टाइम इतना कम होगा, I was not aware. I don't know for what reason she got that. Anybody could have played it. There was nothing as difficult as being in the movie for a good 5 minutes. How can I even forget to talk? I am not sure if this happened with other people or not. मेरे साथ ये हुआ, ट्रेलर भी देखा था जब, तो I couldn't recognize Kamal Hassan. There were people commenting in the video कि he's unrecognizable and XYZ. मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि वो है कहाँ. How come am I going to figure out कि वो पहचान भी आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, पता ही नहीं चला. And while I was, this is so surprising, मूवी देखते टाइम भी आई वाज लाइक अच्छा ये कमल हसन है, अच्छा नहीं ये कमल हसन है, बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट रिकग्नाइजेबल, तो पता तो चलेगा नहीं. बट मैन, जो वो one drop of serum goes into his body and then he comes to life, that's when I thought, okay, this is what people were referring to when they said he is looking. And man, like unrecognizable is, I would say this word will fall short of what the directors and cinematographers have been able to bring on camera. Like obviously prosthetics and everything, makeup, a lot of things have gone into that particular scene, but what imagination, man. I was shook. Let's see what the next part beholds, and those are my 2 cents after watching the movie. So you should definitely consider watching it. इंटरवल से पहले उठ के वापस मत आ जाना, ठीक है? Have some patience, क्योंकि उसी की बात तो उठती है. कैसे? ये जाके देख के आओ. बाय बाय.